HackerRank can be used to learn programming and level up. And if you're the type of coder who fears that you may run out of practice problems in a contest environment, then HackerRank will probably suit you well. Also, HackerRank's system is kind of fine-tuned to prepare you for coding jobs, so job-related practice problems, preparation materials, etc. are here in plenty. So let's say you're new here and open an account on HackerRank. Your interface will look somehow like this. Basically, you can consume the contents in 3 levels: prepare, certify, and compete. If you are an absolute beginner, then you will probably stay most of your time in the prepare tab. Here you can see that I've started solving some problems, so it's showing some progress and stars here. You can learn by topics, so you can start, for example, with Python. It will start giving you some problems. If you click a problem, it will take you to the coding window. At the left, there will be the question, sample input and output. At the right, you write your code and submit. If your code tests well and runs correctly against all the test cases, you'll get a success message and the next challenge will pop up. As simple as that. Now, after practicing enough, if you feel confident, you can explore the Certified tab. Basically, they're coding exams. You can choose one to see the conditions to pass and get certified for the topic. For example, if you click Python, you'll see that it's a 90-minute test. And it will also ask you for your LinkedIn profile or resume and work authorization, because this certification will be officially added to your HackerRank profile, and the people that are hiring on this website can see your skills. The third tab that you can use is the Compete tab. Here you can see that Project Euler is the ongoing competition, which is basically a bunch of problems with different levels of difficulty. It's very popular and well known, featured in different websites. You can also explore the previous archived projects to practice on different challenges. The search bar is a bit different here on HackerRank, and it will show you the other codes on this platform and topics. If you'd like to see problems on a particular topic, just write it on the search bar and it will give you a problem. So the entire website is not about learning from tutorials, rather practice problems. Some more exclusive features are Resume Builder, Application Tracker, and Job Board. If you go to the job board, you can see that there are several jobs posted here, all related to coding and from renowned companies. You can filter it for different companies, countries, and roles. The Resume Builder will help you build your resume if you want to make it here. Then Application Tracker lets you track the status of your applications for the jobs that you have applied for through HackerRank. So all in all, it's all about practicing, solving problems, and getting a coder job. If that's your preferred trajectory, you should use HackerRank. Thanks.